Oscar's Lock and Safe. At Oscar's Lock, we're lock specialists. When you're locked out and need last-minute help or simply want to beef up your security, we're here to help with professional locksmith work in Anaheim. Our primary service areas include emergency locksmith, automobile locksmith, residential locksmith, commercial locksmith, and rekey services. Call us at 714-956-5550 whenever you need a quick response and top-level locksmithing ability. For more information, please visit our website, www.oscarslockandsafe.com. Or contact us through phone, 714-956-5550. You can visit our office, 206 East Katella Way, Anaheim, California 92802, USA. Oscar's Lock and Safe.